Okay, it's not recorded. So check the thing. Fine. So we'll brief it out. No problem. So check to the skin now. Alignment again more. Or if something goes wrong here and there, like you have done like this, nothing to get worried. If up and down happens, because you know what is called layer alignment, and get them near to each other. Just I'm ready to know like how to make the layers to get aligned proper and let it move up. Fine then. So it is not recorded what to do. Like I'll get it once more. Still done. Now the task we have done, just taken a single layer, and the summary part is this. Then we have switched to the scaling button, and here we have break the link. Then we have taken one key over here, next key over here, just by clicking this, and we have done a simple disturbance here in the Y. That's it. And then after, no more big job, switching to the add expression and switching to the looping animation. That's it up, and rest of the things are repeated. The job is done, only this much. Switch off the link between this scaling proportionate, then create three keys, add expression, get it duplicate. And to get the color change, control shift Y. It make the color to get changed immediately. Then rest of the thing, one option you got to know, selecting multi-layer, giving a right click, switching to the property pre-composition. Selecting multi-layer, giving a right click, switching to the property pre-composition. It makes multi-layer to single layer, and the reason of doing this, to control everyone's scaling in a single take, or everyone's one property in a single take. And why we are doing everyone's scaling to a single take? Because already it is scaled. You want to make all the things to get scaled down, then individually if you make, this animation will get break. So this animation to be there, as well as all together scaling has to be done. That's why we have done pre-comp. Fine. Why to do pre-comp? It can be a question any interview. Right? Pre-comp enduk cheyaలి. Now, where is pre-comp? Question over. Pre-comp is there in the right click once you're selecting all the layers and giving a right click, or else if you're selecting multi-layer, go to the animation or like layers and switch to the pre-comp. This is the place where the pre-comp option is there in the software. Software లో pre-comp option ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, రైట్ క్లిక్ లేదే, ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, లేయర్ మెనూలో ఉంటుంది. హాట్ కీ ఏంటి, కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ సి. That's it. Okay, so note it down, control shift plus C, pre-composition. So easy. And it is there inside which menu? Layer menu. Pre-comp. So now we have understood what is pre-composition and where is pre-composition and why pre-composition. And then after the repetition happens, and if you need to get it, all the things get fill up, you can do it up here itself, because in this layer you can able to get duplicate 1 2 3 4 5 1 2. Are you getting what I'm doing? So take this layer to the maximum place, and you know how to duplicate by distribution. Is it okay? One button click and the job is done up, and get out, and select all, get it distribute. So you got to know how to make it instantly. And it is a time to go for like disturbance. Yes, you can able to get it disturbed, or else you can able to get it changed here and there. Now the question comes here in the pre-composition, what happens? It get filled up automatically. That is linked with this. A little complex I've done it. Here you are doing the changes, and the reaction is visible over here, because this pre-composition is depending on this composition. Is it clear? The whole math is here. this is only the things to be get focus. ఇది అర్థమైందంటే complex చేస్తారు. All these things are depending on this concept. Make it, group it, break it, make it, group it, break it. Okay, make అన్ని ఇండివిజువల్గా చేయండి, గ్రూప్ చేయండి, మళ్ళీ ఇండివిజువల్గా చేంజ్ చేయండి. రియాక్షన్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి. A single layer ఉంది 1 2 3 4 5 and get it, go over here to the maximum position, down, right? Maybe like you can delete a few of the things and select all and get it distribute. So easy. One more. And how to duplicate? Control D. Same thing, whatever you have learned, that is only going on. No extra thing is happening up. On your television screen, always you find this kind of things are there on the upper bar and down bar. Just a pre-composition, only a single layer of animation, rest of the things arrangement. మొత్తం అరేంజ్మెంట్ మీద జరుగుతుంది, వర్క్ ఏం లేదు. కానీ చూడడానికి 100 లేయర్ కనపడుతుంది, వర్క్ ఏం జరిగింది? సింగిల్ లేయర్ యానిమేషన్ మాత్రం జరిగింది, మిగిలితాయి అరేంజ్మెంట్. రైట్ నో నౌ ఇవన్నీకి ప్రీ కంపోజ్ చేయొచ్చు. వాట్ ఇస్ ద కీబోర్డ్ షార్ట్ కట్ టు మేక్ ప్రీ కాంప్? కంట్రోల్ షిఫ్ట్ సి, ఖతం. ఓకే, డన్. That is Anu. Anu is a script. Anu script has to be loaded up. Then all the Telugu typing are any regional typing you can do it. In the industry, they use the software Anu script. Anu script. Fine. So now got to know how to make pre-composition again. Then Control T, get it up, switch down over here. Is it clear? Your screen is take up with the animations. Is it clear? Pre-comp, duplicate, scale up, and just place a image inside it. Right. Import the video and place over there. So simple. Just patience. Right. Just place a video inside it and let it play. And very close. Come over here. Place. Is it clear? Whatever you have learned with that output, how to do. Find Zoom channel. 24-hour. Same song with the graphics on the top and down. TRP rate high. The reason behind, they are showing the same song in a eye-catchy manner. And credit goes to you. You have done the animation to the up and down part. Simple animation repeated. Is it clear? So this is a thing could be tried up with a pre-composition. So one of the action we have seen where we can able to ease it up because it is alpha. The background is blank. You can place any video behind it. You can see the animation. Now you can see on your screen how many layers are there. Multi layers are there, but here you find 2 layers only because it is pre-comp. Pre-comp concept clear and here. Will I move to the next? So we are talking about only a special topic called pre-comp. Pre-comp, do around 20 examples now, but 10 output has to come up. Pre-compositions and where to use it in a professional way. Will I delete all? Hope you have got this. And anyhow, it is in record now and all the things with voice, you can see it. Check over to the screen. It's a quite important topic which professionally can able to help you a lot to make the infographics. What is the topic? Infographics. Watch to the net. What is infographics and how to do it? Information has to turn into a motion graphics. Right? Control N. So no extra option will be used now. Same option, whatever you have learned, that is only going to be used. Only the presentation with editing format and like placing the things proper. We'll make the things to place proper, that's only the things. And wherever you're not getting, make me stop proper. So how to make a single line to be animated? ఒక లైన్ చిన్న లైన్ ఎట్లా యానిమేట్ చేయాలి. కంట్రోల్ ఎన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద టాపిక్? హౌ టు మేక్ ఎ లైన్ యానిమేషన్. స్క్రీన్ మీద ఏముంటుంది, ఈ లైన్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది అక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది, ఇదే లైన్ యానిమేషన్ జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఒక లైన్ ఎట్లా యానిమేట్ చేయాలా ఆఫ్టర్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్. హౌ టు మేక్ లైన్ animation. Don't depend on this scribbling on the screen. Na line language mein depend cheyadu. You write in your own way, right? Whatever I am writing I can't able to read next time. So you write clearly how to make a line animation, right? With the present knowledge. There are 100 of ways are there. ఇప్పుడు ఉంట నాలెడ్జ్లో ఇలా చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ది కాన్సెప్ట్. ఇప్పుడు ఉంట నాలెడ్జ్ ఏంటి, ఒక కంపోజిషన్ ఎలా తయారు చేయాలి అది మనకు తెలుసు, ఒక సాలిడ్ లేయర్ ఇలా తీసుకోవాలి అది మనకు తెలుసు, ఒక పొజిషన్ యానిమేషన్ ఎట్లా చేయాలో అది మనకు తెలుసు, ప్రీ కంపోజిషన్ ఎట్లా చేయాలో అది మనకు తెలుసు. 4 విషయం తెలుసు. ఆ 4 విషయం మీదే అవుట్పుట్ ఎట్లా. సో టు మేక్ ఎ లైన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఎ లైన్? లైన్ ఈస్ ఎ వెరీ థిన్ width line, height and width. We need to understand what is this width and height. So get the width to be very big, right? And get the height to be very small. Then that makes a simple line. So let's do once more. Control N. There is a small button over here. Lock aspect ratio. Get it off. Increase it to the maximum height. Like let us take a very big stage which is predefined. But what you can do, get the height to be very less. So it's a very big line. Very simple. So we got to know how to make a thin composition with a width height in a different manner. It is transparent. There is nothing on it. Is it clear now? This is a transparent composition. How to make a color to come over here? Question over. Answer. Control Y. Already you have learned how to make a solid. What is the height of this? How to know? Just switch on this button. What is the button? Make a solid with composition size. Then ultimately software ki em ardham undi. Okay. Ee size meede manaku workout cheyandi. Is it clear? And go for okay. Job over. So hope this much of things are clear. And dark ardhamainda. Does it okay? Only oka chinna size composition, chinna size solid. Is it okay? Now the micro level operation will start up. Work will be the same. Heavy number మీద అయిపోతా, లేదంటే చిన్న number మీద అయిపోతా. That make you to look different, but you know everything. Now go to the destination, like 20 frames later. Go for the position. Click on this. Switch to the start and move it up. Go away from the screen. Is it clear? అర్థమైందా ఇది? జస్ట్ ఈ లేయర్కి పొజిషన్ మూవ్ చేసింది, మీ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ డౌన్ చేసింది. ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ డౌన్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతాయి, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. పొజిషన్ మూవ్మెంట్ మీకు తెలుసు, అదే మాత్రం చెప్తాం. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ప్రజెంట్ వాల్యూ కీ అయిపోయింది. సో 20 ఫ్రేమ్లు ఏమవుతాయి, మళ్ళీ స్క్రీన్కి యాంటీ వస్తాయి. ఇజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే? డస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ కంపోజిషన్ విత్ ఎ లైన్ యానిమేషన్. హోప్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్. Done. And give a name called, this composition name you can able to give line animation. Okay, line. Does it clear this much? And our ardhamainda, at every step I'll take your approval. Stop me there wherever you're not getting. Don't think of others. It is your profession, your career. Am I right? So here we have understood how to make a simple line animation. Now this is a line animation. Take a new file, presentation. And presentation could be of yours in your final presentation file. So final. This is your final stage, and drag this line composition and drop over here. Is it clear what we have done? In one composition, the other composition has been placed, and it is ultimately a pre-composition only. The time you click over there, it will open the line animation. Now check to the screen. It make a simple animation to come. Is it clear? Now the action. You can change the angle here, and what will happen? Now the line will come from the other side. So you got to know now, animation is done straight. but the presentation is done in slanting way. So how to make a line animation coming from the edge means don't rotate and do the animation. No, just make the animation straight only, but give the presentation in a angular way. Why to do this, sir? Ilaga question kuda rayacheyandi. That makes you to understand in a logical way. Fine then. So hope we have understood why to get it up. And here, yes, we can make the two lines to place one after the other. It's clear now? And get this environment color to get changed. Composition color etla change cheyala? Control K. Change the color of your choice. Get it okay. How to see the composition with composition color? Get the toggle transparency button to get it off. This should be your answer. That makes the things to go for action. Am I right? No? So now we have seen how to make a simple animation to come on your television screen or a web screen. You're finding a number of lines are coming. Then how does this line are coming? This is one of the way. This is not the only way. This is one of the way. How does the line animation can be done? Is it clear now? And our Kardamainda, check to the screen now. If the color of the line to get changed, how to change the color of your line? Question over. What is to be done? Open the precomp. How to open the precomp? Double click on the layer. Just have a click. Get the color change. How to change the color? Control Shift. Why to do that? Because it is solid setting. Because it is solid setting. Where is the solid setting option? Inside the layer menu. Am I right? No. Question answer it is going, because even you don't know, then question and answer listen and you have understood the things. And change the color. Have it done? Okay, just green color. And check the result. Animation change, right? Have a double click. Switch to this. Select the product. Control Shift Y. Go over here and change the color. Let it turn into blue. Get it okay? The reason of doing this, fraction of second, the things are to get changed. Now to the next line. Idi Ardhamainda? Next heavy girl. Now, once the line is moving, then a white color line has to follow it. How to do this? Epudu project start. Project kelte ide. Job kelte ide. The animation customer em cheptaru ee line ella time lo malli oka white line ravala. Adi etla cheyali? How to do this? Same job, no need to put extra gray. Ela cheyala think cheste out. Don't think more, just go to this pre-composition, get it duplicate, finish. And get it leave after some time. And change the color by Control Shift Y. Everything you know. Emi okka option meeku telleda visayam ledhu. And the presentation over. Is it clear? You have not done very big job, copy paste job. Think cheste malli idi tayar cheyalante it takes more time. How to do copy, how to paste. Yes. So just I made it easy, you know all the things. Just it is a review of all. Now get this pink color width to change. The pink color should be bigger than the white color. How to do? Question okay? Question Ardhamainda? Does the question okay? Change the thickness of the pink color line. Thickness change cheyandi. Ila change. Like question is okay now? How to do? This is the task now. How to do this? Because client will ask you like this, and you need to face the things. That's why you are paid. And how to do? That is the task. Change the thickness of your. Now the first problem comes. If you think practically, the composition size and the size are same. So if you are changing also the size, it is not visible. Am I right? Then what is the task to be done now? Change the composition size first. Text number 1. Then change the size of your layer. Task number 2. Logic is working. You know Control K, you know how to change the size. Am I right? No? You know both the things, but on spot, the answer has to come up. That's why you are paid. So just I'm giving you what are the confidence level, what are the little bit knowledge I do have. Even in the start, I can able to do. I'm not expecting you can able to do. You are doing your genius. Like you are beyond the level now. But I cannot able to imagine also how to change the thickness. It took me like 6 months to understand how to do this. Practically line single line turn work out. That was my practical problem. In that angle I'm speaking. Hope you got to know. Now change the thickness. Control Shift. Why? Hope it is clear. Get it done. Switch to the things. Over. Is it clear? So we got to know what is pre-composition advantage. Why to do pre-compositions? What you are seeing that is not done. What we are seeing, if we try, then we block. And that's makes the magic. And that's why compositor gets more money in the market. ఇలా కనపడుతుంది అలాగా అసలే వర్క్ అవుతలేదు వర్క్ డిఫరెంట్ యాంగిల్ అవుతుంది ఏం కనపడుతుంది అది ట్రై చేస్తే మొత్తం ఇక్కడ ఉంది ఏంటి ఒక లైన్ ఎట్లా వస్తుంది లైన్ రావాలా చాలా ఈజీ లైన్ ఫామ్ చేయాలా చాలా ఈజీ కానీ వర్క్ చేస్తే సింగిల్ లైన్ వస్తాయి కానీ ఒక్కసారి 20 లైన్ వస్తుంది అంటే ద వర్క్ ఈస్ నాట్ సింక్రొనైజ్డ్ ఫైన్ సో హోప్ వీ గట్ టు నో నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ప్రీ కంపోజిషన్ అండ్ వై టు డూ దట్ ప్రీ కంపోజిషన్ ఎందుకు చేయాలా హోప్ యూ హ్యావ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ Now inside the white line, get a black line to come up. What to do? Same job, same thing. Double click, come over here, switch to this. Control D, get it down, shift it up. Control Shift Y, change the color, find the things, get it over, and make the size to turn into 2. Finish. Micro level work starts up. So hope you got to know why this field is not having competition. The field asle competition ledu. 50% out from here. Am I right? This is fact. You can digest, they can start. Why I'm talking? Because the field having 365 days of, the reason behind is this. Understanding is easy. Only a line to get moved, this much of things are there. And it is not rocket science, everybody can do this. But yes, a little patience and little logic. Hope it is clear. Will I move to the next? Now, change the direction. How to change the direction of your line. Now the client will ask you, okay, first line is this. I need the second line's compositions to be in green color. How to do this? What is the task now? What is asking? Get the second line pink color to turn into green color. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతాయి ఇలా ఇక్కడ ఏం చేంజ్ చేస్తే రెండుకి చేంజ్ అయిపోతాం Is it clear what is that in? Make question, get answer, that is what your job. Create your own questions and get it answered up. Now, here you got to know both the compositions are having the same composition. ఏమి ఇక్కడ లైన్ ఇక్కడ కూడా లైన్ ఉంది ఒక లైన్లో చేంజ్ చేస్తే రెండు లైన్ మీద ఆటోమేటిక్ చేంజ్ అయిపోతాయి ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలా ఈ లైన్ ఇక్కడ డూప్లికేట్ చేయండి ఏం చేయాలా మేక్ ది లైన్ composition to get duplicate here, not the layer to be duplicate. So inside the project panel, get it duplicate. How to duplicate? Control D, and you got a new composition with a new name, line 2. Is it clear? Now get the line 2 to get exchange. How to extend the line? Question over. What is the question now? How to extend the layer with the other information. Quite important this topic. మొత్తం ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఫైల్ వస్తే ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఫైల్ మీద ఫోటో ఒకటి చేంజ్ చేయడానికి వస్తే చాలు 20,000 రూపీస్ సాలరీ వెయిటింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఎస్సీ రూమ్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఎట్లా చేయాలా తెలుసు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ నో నీడ్ టు డూ వర్క్ ఈ ఎలా కంపోజిషన్కి కంపోజిషన్ మీకు హ్యాండ్ ఓవర్ చేస్తారు ఈ లైన్ వదిలితే ఈ ఫోటో వదిలితే ఆ ఫోటో పెట్టండి 20,000 సాలరీ తీసుకోండి అని ఫోటో ఎట్లా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేయాలో తెలిస్తే ఎనఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఇన్ ది ఇండస్ట్రీ బికాస్ దర్ ఈస్ నో టైమ్ టు డూ దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ వర్క్ దేర్ they need the output at that time only a technician should know how to extend the things now this is the topic why I've taken it into focus format that's the topic. So what is the topic now? How to extend the layer. Step number 1, select the layer which you want to extend. Step number 2, select the layer, select the composition inside the project panel what you want to extend. Step number 2 over. Step number 3, hold the alt, drag and drop. Hold the alt, drag and drop. Everything is record. Just hit 3 times to It will be happen. Drag and drop చేస్తే ఇది ఎక్స్చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది చూడండి లైన్ 2 స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 1 ఇది సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 2 ఇది సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి స్టెప్ లేదు డ్రాగ్ ఇక్కడి నుంచి చేయండి ఇక్కడే డ్రాప్ చేయండి ఇక్కడే చేయండి జస్ట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్లేస్ యూ నీడ్ టు డ్రాప్ okay exactly I'm speaking this is the place you need to drop hope it is clear so what you got to know now how to extend a layer quite focus point how to exchange a layer ardhamanda idi what is pre-comp that is also a important topic why to make pre-composition it is also a important point will be a question at your interview now have a double click on this get this layer change and see the result over here get it okay Javistana hope it is clear so 2 line 2 different color get it changed so what is the exercise we have done with the present knowledge what can be done ippununta knowledge lu em cheyochu what are the things to be get watched switch to the internet and watch infographics motion graphics then all these things will be your final output you'll find 200 questions then after am I right no ఒక్కసారి ఒక మోషన్ గ్రాఫిక్స్ ట్రై చేస్తే 200 క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది and that will make you to learn the things and no classroom required your one project will make you to learn the whole software no faculty required ఒక్క ప్రాజెక్ట్ చిన్న చేస్తే మొత్తం సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అయిపోతుంది అక్కడ అప్పుడు డిఫికల్టీ స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి ఆ డిఫికల్టీ మీదే నేర్చుకున్న వర్కౌట్ అయిపోతుంది దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ మై పర్సనల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ బట్ పర్సన్ టు పర్సన్ ఇట్ వెరీ వన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్ టు మేక్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆల్ ది థింగ్స్ ఇది ఇలా ఒక యానిమేషన్ చేసిన ప్రీ కంపోజిషన్ అంటే ఇది లేయర్ అంటే ఇది ఇవన్నీ చెప్పడానికి అవసరం లేదు ఆటోమేటిక్గా అయిపోతుంది కరెక్ట్ క్లాస్లో ఏమి లేయర్ అంటే ఇది లేయర్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకోవాలా ఈ హాట్కి ఏది ఏం అవసరం లేదు ఒక చిన్న ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ so fine then here we have seen how to get duplicate and get it rotate how to rotate
2019 this is actually the very first
num key
that I'm going to be
plus and minus
2019 and I
with the help of your shift make it to rotate the thing
then one of the best page builder plugins for WordPress which is Elementor it actually pains me to say that I've never done a tutorial on how to use Elementor before. It's about time
select చేయండి control D చేయండి duplicate అయిపోయింది rotate చేయండి rotate ఎట్లా చేయాలా plus minus
so basically in this tutorial I'm
num key plus minus చేస్తే rotate అవుతుంది ఇది మర్చిపోతే r నొక్కండి డిగ్రీ చేంజ్
for a fictional company known as the White Hat Hackers. Basically these guys are ethical hackers who help companies
how to make
fight against hackers.
so two things we have understood today how to make a pre-composition and make a wave audio wave and
now,
get the BG to get change and second thing we got to know what is called pre-composition how to make a line animation
of Elementor.
Like how and how to extend the three important things and 2 tasks can be done and you can watch to the video like infographics
you can see we've got the logo we've got the menu we've got the video
and so there are a lot of tutorials are there yes watch the tutorials nothing wrong in it get information from every side motion graphics so all these things are the output of your After Effects what happened on your screen ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళే టైంలో మీకు పబ్లిక్ ఎలా కాదు టెక్నీషియన్ ఎలాగా చూడాలి కరెక్ట్ పబ్లిక్ అంటే ఇలా యానిమేషన్ కనబడతాయి టెక్నీషియన్ అంటే ఏం జరిగింది ఏమంది జస్ట్ ఒక చిన్న లైన్ స్కేలింగ్ అయింది అది రిపీట్ అయింది ఇక్కడ స్కేలింగ్ రిపీట్ ఫినిష్ line right what do you learn how people make money we have learned people make money and the difference is like implementation of the knowledge per frame per second they are getting money per second. You are charged with second. So second output chesindante you got money. There is value for your seconds and minutes. Just to show you like line, right? What you learn, how they are doing. Line up to down, right? What can be done? Plan for that. What is not understandable, that is to be learned. But what you learn, what can be done? What people are making, what I have done. That makes the career. Very simple statements only. Right? A line could be a music wave, a line could be a textbook. It is the imagination of the artist, how he is thinking of. And a line could be rotated in the clock. Only lines. Am I right? Scaling of the line. Okay, chinna animation. It's a 30-second, how much like 1 minute video. 1 minute video, 15,000 rupees. Okay, this is what your value. 15,000 rupees. Okay, chinna 1.5 minute. 1 minute 30-second video మీరు చేస్తుందంటే ఈజీగా 15,000 rupees. Like it depends. Like ఒక చిన్న విషయంకి 1.5. So you can fill up 15,000 ఇక్కడ వస్తుందంటే what is your value that I am showing up. But what is the back-end process? ఇవన్నీ ఉంటుంది. Pre-composition is to be in your masterpiece. It should be master on this. Hope it is clear. So I will not make you more strain. In the next session, we will be meeting up with the higher options. If you are showing interest and getting some output, then we'll go more depth. So the summary of the class, yes, pre-composition, infographics, layer animation, and like how to extend the layers. That's it, every time. So I'm stopping here. We'll meet in the next session with the higher options. And it is easy. You can do it.